In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily convert Facebook account to page. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So, let's get started. And first off, open up Facebook app and then go to your profile. As you can see, I got 24 friends here. And then let me show you how we can easily guard my Facebook account to page. To do that, I'm gonna tap at that bottom and then select turn on professional mode. Now we need to tap at turn on. And then continue. Then we can go to our profile again. As you can see, my Facebook friends has just been converted. In the followers, that means that I have successfully converted my Facebook account to page.